everybody, hola, welcome back to another unboxing video, and today's video we have 2019 case D.
Yes it is, it's D already. So let's get on with it. What's the super treasure hunt? What's the regular treasure hunt? Let us see. Okay, first off, from the previous case,
The Holy Netter.
yep, seen this one before. Number 51. Alrighty.
T-Destroyer.
Dino Riders, new to the case, number 89.
Volkswagen Golf MK2.
Yes it is, number 68. Interesting fact, I didn't get this from C case, case C. I've got it in D case, because I know some who opened the C case got this car. Yes it is, Volkswagen Golf Mark II, nice. From the previous case,
68 Chevy Nova.
yep, Golf. And looks to me it's an error. Chevy Nova number 67, I think so. No tempo on the sides. Interesting. From the previous case also,
Custom Volkswagen Beetle.
number 69. Yes, seen this one before. Nice. Looking interesting.
Motowing.
Yup. Motor wing. Very weird looking motor. Look at that. HW Moto. Number 88. Okay. And
Nissan Fairlady Z.
yup, number 54. I didn't get this from case C, only from case D. Interesting. Why this guy is not in my case C? Should be in my case C. Yup. From the previous case,
Ducati 1199 Panigale.
yeah, we have two of those. Number 58. Okay, new to the case.
Volkswagen T2 pickup.
Yup, number 96. I believe this model is the super treasure for this case, and obviously this is the normal version, 1552. Nice decoration there. Yup.
Justice League Batmobile.
Number 66, 15. This one before from the previous case.
Motosaurus.
Yep, number 63. Bye. From the previous case.
Wheelie chair.
Yep. Right on, number 65. Seen this one before. Nice.
Electrac.
Yep, 73. Super Chrome. Seen this one before. Also, returning from the previous case.
88 Honda CRX.
Yes, 49. Nice. And another.
Custom Volkswagen Beetle.
Yep, number 69.
Crescendo.
Number 59. You've seen this one before from the previous case. New to the case.
Surf and Turf.
Yup, in lavender purple. Surf Shop Rod Squad. Number 79. Interesting decoration there. Returning from the previous case.
70 Nissan GTR R35 Godzilla.
Yeah, number 61. Nice. We've got this one. Would like it. I like it. New to the case.
Kick Car.
Yup. Kick cut. under the ride-ons, number 91, Kit Kat. From the previous case.
Corvette Grand Sport Roadster.
Yeah, 53, seen this one before. A Super Treasure Hunt for the previous case. Yep. And
Bubble-matic.
yeah, Bubble-matic. New model for 2018, 78. Ooh, new to the case.
67 Jetstar Commando.
Yeah, and with a new wheels. Look at that. Wow. No tail headlights there. And we have a little bit tempo on the motor at the back there. Oh, motors. Let's take a closer look. Yeah. Very simple decoration. Number 84. Keeps the Commando. Yes, it is. And new to the case.
Rising Heat.
Yeah, with a very colorful color there. Colorful color? What? And also new to the case.
Dodge Charger stock car.
HW Race Day. More power. Look at that. Let's focus it a bit. Yeah, big Mopar in front. Number 9. Look at that. Number 76. Crazy looking there. Nice. Another.
Corvette Grand Sport Roadster.
Yep. We have 2 of those now. And another.
Nissan Fairlady Z.
Nice. Very easy. We have 2 of those. Another.
Wheelie Chair.
Yep. Another.
Crescendo.
Oh my god. 59. Many doubles here. And another.
70 Nissan GTR R35 Godzilla.
Of course, we have 2 of those. Number 61. Yup. Nice. From the previous case.
87 Dodge D100.
Yep. Number 64. New to the case.
Muscle Bound.
Look at that. Oh, I like this graphics there. Muscle Bound. Wow. This is under the Speed Blur. This Speed Blur series looks very interesting. 87. Nice.
$1978 Dodge Lil Red Express truck.
Yeah, a blue Little Red Express truck. Number 55. Seen this one before. Another.
Just the League Mobile.
Yup. 66. 2 of those. We've got 2 of those. New to the case.
Octane.
Octane game over. So these games apa ni? What is this game? Yeah, Rocket League number 92. Octane. This is a new casting, right? Octane. Nice. From the previous case.
65 Mustang 2+2 flashback.
Fastback number 72. Yup, we've seen this one before. So there you go, first layer. We haven't seen any Super Treasure Hunt or regular Treasure Hunt. That's my luck of the year. Yup. Ooh, new to the case.
Porsche 918 Spider.
Look at that. Ooh, I like this coloring. Red and black. Nice. Previously in stock color. So number 94. Awesome. From the previous case.
Groovemobile.
Yep, seen this one before. Number 70. Also from the previous case.
71 Mustang funny car.
Yep, with the Hot Wheels. Number 57. Hot Wheels Flame. Yep. Nice. Nice. Another.
67 Jeffster Commando.
Yep. Awesome. Ooh, haha. New to the case.
85 Honda City Turbo 2.
Yeah, Night Burners, Bisimoto in a light blue. Ooh, nice. Look at that. Number 81. Awesome. Another.
Electrac.
Yup, seen this one before. Another.
65 Mustang 2+2 flashback.
Yeah, number 72. Seen this one before. Also, have two of those from the previous case.
70 Chevelle SS Wagon.
Yeah, number 56. Nice wagon. Oh, we have another.
Volkswagen Golf MK2.
Yup, 68. Nice, two of those. Another.
Octane.
Yep, Rocket League. Look at that. Beautiful. Octane Rocket League. Another.
68 Chevy Nova.
Yup. Now let's take a look of the error that I got for comparison. Look at that. No tempos on the side, big gulf on the side. Two of those, one of those is an error. Yep. Another.
82 Dodge D100.
87 Dodge
Yes.
D100.
87 there.
Two of those. Yep. Returning from the previous case.
USS.
Vengeance.
Yes.
Number 52. Nice. Another.
88 Honda CRX.
Awesome. Number 49. Awesome. New to the case.
Corvette C7 Z06. What? Convertible.
Yup. Number 95. Nice. New to the case.
10 Camaro SS.
Yeah, a police car with a light bar on top. Yep, nice. HW in. Looking good there. Number 99. New to the case.
Dune Daddy.
Yeah, in a very dark brown. Dune Daddy. Number 90. Dune Daddy. Oh my, new to the case.
71 Datsun 5110 0. Right.
510. More to those who like the Datsun 510. It's in case D, number 97. Yes, it is. Very interesting. Oh, new to the case.
90 Chevy Silverado Trail Boss LT.
Yeah, it's the Silverado Trail Boss. With a blue, not really my cup of tea, this color. Yeah, the Hot Trucks number 83. Trail Boss. Another.
10 Camaro SS.
Yup, number 99. Another.
Rising Heat.
Yup, number 85. Rising Heat. Another.
Motowing.
Number 88 Motor Wing. Anything? Okay. Nothing at the back there. Motor Wing. Another.
The Holy Netto.
Yep. Okay. Now this is interesting. We've got another.
70 Nissan GTR R35 Godzilla.
61. Why I said another? Look at that. How many Godzilla did I got it? 3 now. What? What is going on here? I have no idea. Ooh, another.
Muscle Bone.
Yup, number 87. Muscle Bound. Really love that decoration. Another.
1978 Dodge Lee Red Express Stop.
Yup, the tongue twister, number 55. Satu lagi.
Kick Cut.
Ada lagi binatang ni.
Octane.
We have how many octanes we've got? Let us show to you guys. See that? What is going on here? We have 3 octane now. Oh my god. Oh my god. Another.
Motosaurus.
Yup. Number 63. Oh, new to the case.
16 Camaro SS.
Yeah, Borla decoration there. Oh, I like it. I like it. Sort of like a matte black, satin black. Love it. Number 82. Oh, new to the case.
Custom Ford Maverick.
Yeah, Muscle Mania G ready. Number 98. Nice. Look at that. Number 94. Wow. Wow. Number 98. But it's number 94 there. Awesome. Into the case.
Porsche Panamera.
Yeah, Polizei. European style. Polizei. Look at that. Number 100. Nice. Porsche Panamera. Another.
Corvette Grand Sport Roadster.
We have 3 of those. My god, number 53. 3 Corvette Grand. This is weird. Weird. Satu lagi.
Surf and Turf.
Yep, number 79. Oh, new to the case.
16 Cadillac ATS VR.
Yep, race day. Nice white. Predominantly white there. Just on the side, number 4. So it's number 75. And the last car, I don't think it's a regular treasure hunt or super treasure hunt.
Trek Manga.
Speed Blur. Look at that. Track Manga. With a Japanese word Hot Wheels. Hot Wheel in front. Pink. To those who like pink. 86. So I didn't get, again, a super treasure hunt or a regular treasure hunt for this case. But kind of weird. Yep, kinda weird for me. Yes, it is. So, the highlight for this case is going to be, oh no, what the heck? 5 now. Look at that. Is the Volkswagen T2 pickup, the Jeepster Commando, Datsun 510, Honda City Turbo, and the Dodge Charger stock car. Yes, it is. Many good casting in this case. Yup. Nice. Apart from the triples that I've got, quite a bit of number of triples here. So what you guys think? Put your thoughts in the comment down below. If you haven't subscribed, subscribe. Give a thumbs up. Smash that like button. Talk to you later. See you soon.
Bye.